I'm going to turn it upside down. We're going to turn it upside down over the sofa.
Okay,
You ready?
Let's see how bad this can go. Go.
We're talking about a good time. We're chasing every moment, all the good nights. We're always looking out and it's a good life. We go around the world for a show. Oh, oh, oh. And it's a good time. We're chasing every moment, all the good nights. We're always looking out and it's a good life. No, we are never letting this go. Oh, oh, oh.
So,
I like how you press play and the puppy starts
whinging
whinging.
straight away.
How dare you leave me outside while you talk?
Just for the benefit of the camera. Let's just. He's not really hard done to. He's got food. He's got chairs. He's had his breakfast.
He's got chairs, essential for puppy happy.
He likes chairs. He likes to sit comfortably.
We've got things.
We
Let's
have
talk
got
about things.
Okay.
So I get on average 50, 100 requests a month for products and things and stuff, and it all sounds very exciting, except that a lot of it is rubbish.
Yes.
But every now and then we get a request to try a product that actually sounds like something we'd either buy ourselves or sounds really useful for motorhome life and boating life, which is why this product really intrigued us. So this time it's a German company called Silwy, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right because I've never actually heard it pronounced out loud, but it's S-I-L-W-Y. Silwy? German, yeah, W's a V, and it's Silwy perhaps. And they do anti-spill magnetic glasses. This is going to be a challenging...
It is going to be a challenge
We'll
because,
power
as you can
through.
see from the background, there's lots of cyclists. We're
There are.
actually in the middle of the French
We are
Alps.
literally in the middle of the French
Tour de
Alps.
France country, and there's some more coming through.
Yeah.
Puppy is saying hi to all the cyclists. Although he's also, if you look at this disgusting look that I'm getting right now,
He knows we've got sausages.
he knows that
He
we have
knows
sausage.
there are sausages. But yeah, this isn't going to be good. Anyway, we'll power through. So they've got this range of magnetic anti-spill glasses, they call it, and they either do them in plastic or in crystal glass. And we're not big fans of plastic glasses, are we?
No.
Although we do use them for outside. But these ones, they've sent us a crystal. So they sent us a couple of wine glasses and a couple of tumblers to try out and just see if they were something that we'd be interested in recommending to you guys. They've got huge magnets on the back. I say huge, but they're actually really quite, can you see that up there? They're quite discreetly set. So that obviously looks like a normal glass, but that, can you see that? And then on the coaster, it looks like that. So from the bottom, like, I think they're really pretty. And if I'll flick it, oh, so it's like proper crystal. I'm impressed with that.
Dogs moved into shot.
So we've got this, but I'll talk about that in a second. But this is the box that they come in. So this was a set of 2 wine glasses that came with 2 coasters. And that's Silwy. Is that how we're pronouncing it?
Silwy.
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 Each glass comes with its own coaster. I've taken the lid off that one. It's funny, without the plastic thing on, funny enough, it still sticks. But without it, it's so much stronger.
And the base of the
It's got
of the mat
sticky
is
stuff.
a sticky pad, but it's removable sticky pad.
Yeah.
So you can put it on something and then take it off.
Take it off, and it doesn't leave residue or anything, does it? Which is quite cool. So every glass, whatever type of glass you get, comes with one of those in its little pack. And then they've sent us a couple of other goodies to try out. One of them is this tray. I say tray, it's like a big mat. And you can cut it using normal scissors to any shape or size you want. But it can go in a tray. And again, if you peel off this backing bit, stick them on. Now, I don't know. But if you're on a tray, actually, that's not bad. I won't turn it upside down.
That's quite good.
That
Try
looks
it.
really
See
good.
how far.
Really?
Go on.
Really?
If they're going to advertise this
Really?
stuff, we're going to try
Yeah,
it.
but they didn't say this one was
Doesn't
designed
matter.
to be used upside
Well,
down.
we're going to do some product testing. for them.
Actually, that's good. I'm
That's
not
quite impressive.
holding that. I'm sort of hoping to catch it if it falls.
Shake it a little bit. See if how it'll cope with a bit of movement. You're far too delicate with this stuff.
Yeah, no, I don't want to break it. I actually really like the glasses.
But the whole point of this is so that it can be
Right,
used in a
let's
motorhome.
take
We're not
that.
gentle in a
Yeah, but
motorhome.
you're not going to put a tray and then get it.
Have you seen me carrying stuff out of the van?
It's true. Okay, I'm going to turn it upside down. We're going to turn it upside down over the sofa.
Okay,
You ready?
Let's see how bad this can go. Go on. You've just spilt your drink everywhere.
Yeah, but
That's
that
actually
stays.
quite impressive. Give it a little wiggle.
I didn't expect that.
Yeah, that's quite impressive. I quite like that.
Now, I mean,
They're nice tumblers. I
we're
do
up
like
a
that.
mountain.
This tumblers.
It's pretty kind of
I don't
bumpy
think,
on the
I
way
don't think
down.
elevation
No.
changes the magnetic properties.
I meant the fact that it was bumpy and twisty and turny on the way down, so I wouldn't store them like that. But this I was intrigued about. So this is a strip, but it has a metal core, which makes it so it's got sticky pads, proper sticky pads.
So it's a
on there.
metal strip.
You know, every now and then you regret asking someone to help you film something.
Trying not to shake.
So this is a metal strip. You're a pain. This isn't designed to be taken off and replaced all the time. So it's got proper sticky pads, so it's stuck permanently, pretty much. I think you can take it off. I don't know if it would damage anything.
You'll
I
be
will
able
check.
to get rid of the residue with a bit of.
Yeah, I mean, they're just sticky pads, so you'll be able to wipe it off. I can't imagine it will, like, it won't peel the laminate off of
No.
the surface or anything. But I like the coasters where you can reposition them and reuse them, and this as well, I think you can too.
Yes.
This you can't. This is designed to stay put permanently in one place. But look how strong. Now that you can definitely turn upside down. And we were debating storing. See, I think there might be quite a good place too. You know, we were debating storing them upside down because there's so much dead space in a van. It's like upside down. But why aren't we storing them upside down?
We're not sure. We're
worried.
not gentle on roads.
We're not. We don't pick motorways.
To give an example, yesterday the
wank.
bikes shook loose on the trailer.
Yes, the
So
bikes did shake loose.
if strapped down motorbikes can shake loose on the trailer, we need the van pretty solid.
You can feel that. I mean, you've got to really pull it. You can shake that. I'm actually quite confident with this one because that's not going anywhere.
Oh, that's very good.
That is so impressive. Okay,
To the point whereby I'd happily install that in the van.
upside down.
I think so, yeah.
So where do you want to install it?
I'm not
So,
sure.
okay, we looked at some options. So when we were being sissies, we thought about here, which makes sense, and it's quite nice and neat. Downsides to that, if you're cooking, it might get
Takes
splashed.
up space, and they're going to
Does.
get greasy with cooking.
Yeah.
Going to be cleaning them constantly.
So another option. See, I don't like it there because you can't get to the kitchen on stuff.
That's going to be the same simple. Anywhere in the galley area.
But there, I
It's
quite
going to
like.
be.
What do you think about that? It's not going to be in the way if you sit down, or is it?
I don't think so.
If
I mean,
sit there,
that's my head during
I'm taller than you. If I sit there,
bedtime.
oh maybe.
Yeah, you're going to clobber
Yeah,
it.
no, you are. So then the other option was here, which I still quite like. Means no, ladies and gentlemen. Means no, okay.
I'm not sure.
So where's
I think
your
we can
favourite?
do better, but I don't know where. I don't know. I'm going to explore options.
Okay, we'll explore options. Okay,
So, we think we have an idea.
we do. What
We're
about
going.
there?
It's going to be interesting. My only concern, is whether the weight of the glasses, because they are crystal, they're quite heavy. They're not lightweight things. Whether
magnet on them is really
the weight,
strong.
yeah, whether the weight will actually pull the metal strip off the laminated cupboard. So it's a laminated cupboard. In theory, it'll stick to it no problem at all.
Yeah, the only surface it says avoid is oiled wooden surfaces, and this is not oiled. It's probably not even really wooden either, to be fair.
We might do. We'll install it in,
Yeah.
and there is a chance that I'm probably, just because I'm slightly nervous about this, I'll drill them and screw them as well.
No, I think we try it as they're made to be.
Okay.
We'll try it as they're made to be. So the strip has to be installed at room temperature, doesn't it? And with pressure, is what the instructions say.
Okay, so it's being videoed. How much more pressure do you want?
Alright, that was quite funny.
I know.
So that, I mean, that's just how it opens. You're not ever going to put, I mean, even if you do push it up.
We should be good. Okay.
We probably shouldn't have used the cupboard that's full of all our chocolate and biscuits. Obviously, we incredibly healthily.
Let's go for the worst case scenario. Okay, let's go for this.
Alright.
Okay. So, safe on the tray.
Right.
The back,
Uh-huh.
we're going to
I'm intrigued by this.
gently remove. Now, I would suggest cleaning the surface and letting it dry. I'm going to say, our van is lovely and clean, and it's no problem.
You're going to say that with a weird accent?
Possibly.
It's got to be in the middle, ladies and gentlemen. It's not that my husband is OCD, but it's at temperature and with pressure.
And with pressure. I believe that is straight.
Yeah, but is that enough pressure? Do you want to like properly use your
I'm
fist?
going to.
Oh, okay.
Not fist.
Alright.
I'm going to just gently apply.
This is Catherine does bits. It's sort of fists and hammers and slugs. Would you please stop, young man?
There we go.
Okay.
Now, for me, I'd like to leave it for 10 minutes just to let it bond in.
Okay. It doesn't say do that on the instructions, does it?
No, it doesn't. But normally it's better to just let the
Alright.
adhesive kind of...
We'll leave it for 10 minutes. We'll put the glass on and we will
We'll
get
come
going.
back.
There we go. They're up. They're on. I'm going to open the cupboard. So that's it without me pushing it. Push it. Got to push it up quite a way. Still not really touching it. I think that's quite good.
I think that's quite nice.
Alright, I'm intrigued. When we go down the mountain, I'll film it and see what happens.
Well, we're at the top of a mountain. We've got a lot of bumpy roads and twisty turns to do.
Yeah.
We will see where we get to.
Okie dokie.
Okie dokie.
Here's one of the coasters. Let me. So you can see there's a definite, if I hold it near it, you can see it's really pulling it on. But what we like is the fact that you can peel this off completely and there's no sticky residue at all, nothing. The whole thing can come back and then you can put it back down again.
And
So they are designed to be moved, reused.
like a weeble.
Oh, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. Right. Okay, adventure time.
They take me for a runaway. I guess I'm a little torn. My life is on the highway. My song's on the radio. I cannot deny I love being wild. And when the lights out, I'm moving on. I cannot deny I aim for the sky. So when they are gone, then we are out. We're talking about a good time. We're chasing every moment, all the good nights. We're always looking out and it's a good life. We go around the world for a show. Oh, oh, oh. And it's a good time. We're chasing every moment, all the good.
Got to film it while we were driving, but they're still there.
The film was the road was a bit lunacy.
The problem is, if I was watching this, I'd be like, yeah, whatever. If they fell off, you just put them back up again. Although I actually think if they'd fallen off, they'd have smashed.
Yes.
Because
They bounced off there.
that's quite a big drop. And they are crystal, these ones aren't plastic. So, yeah, they're still there. Did they move at all?
No.
Oh,
No, they are where they are.
Alright, I'll do a bit of one that's driving, I'll remember now, but we're not going down mountains anymore. Really tested glasses. We're going down a bumpy lane. I should probably show you the lane. It's raining as well. It's a proper gravel dirt track. What's this bit? Oh, Mac, away.
Come here. Mac.
Away, good boy. Yeah, it's fell off, isn't it?
It's hit the cupboard at the side, it's took a chunk out of the cupboard.
What's that? Oh, yeah.
Come here. No.
Poo.
It's the heat.
So here's what we did to fix it. We've just literally put 2 drills in it, and we have put holes in our motorhome. If you ever want proof about the fact that we genuinely like these glasses, we've just put holes in our brand new, well, new to us, motorhome, so that we can continue using them, which I'll be honest is not a length that we would go to for a product that we're going to return. So yeah, as you can see, we genuinely like the glasses. We think they are a fantastic product for motorhoming and for boats. I wish that they had existed when we were touring a bit more on our boat, because we broke so many glasses. If you want to hear my rant about why we don't like plastic glasses on a motorhome, you can head over to the website and I have a little rant about why I don't like plastic glasses, even though I know they make a lot more sense when you are travelling. So there we go, that was our review of the Silwy Glassware. A big thank you to them for sending us some samples to try out. But as you have probably guessed, our opinions on them are entirely our own. Other than that, I think that is everything from us. Thank you very much for watching as always. If you'd like to see more of our videos, they're not all product reviews, I promise. I refuse to turn into that channel that just does nothing but product reviews. I try and do no more than 1 a quarter. So if you want to see more of our actual travel videos and crazy things that we get up to, then click subscribe and the little bell, which will tell you when a new video of ours comes out roughly once a week or so if I have decent enough internet to upload it. I hope you're all well and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.
We're talking about a good time. We're chasing every moment, all the good nights.